Type 1 diabetes is a condition in which the pancreas produces little or no insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body use blood sugar, known as glucose.
Inside this laboratory at The Ohio State University Medical Center, a complicated research project is underway. Dr. Amir Rajab is a transplant surgeon who specializes in the study of the pancreas. And right now, his focus is on one particular portion of the pancreas, known as the islet cells.
Only 2 to 3% from the whole pancreas is called islet cell, islet of Langerhans.
He and his team can extract the islets from the pancreas of a deceased organ donor. The islets are then purified and processed. The theory is that once implanted directly into the recipient's liver, the cells can begin to make and release insulin.